In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup data in Zoho CRM. Keeping a regular backup of your CRM data is one of the most important habits you can build because it protects your contacts, deals, and activity history if anything ever goes wrong. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where to go and what to click inside Zoho CRM to safely create a backup. First, open your web browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the right permissions, typically an admin or someone with access to data administration settings. Once your Zoho CRM homepage finishes loading, look towards the top right corner of the screen. In that top right area, you'll see a small settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. This is where Zoho groups all of the configuration options for your CRM, including user management, customization, and what we need today, data tools. Inside the settings page, find the section labeled Data Administration. This section is dedicated to managing the information stored in your CRM, such as importing, exporting, and of course, backing up your data. Go ahead and click on Data Administration to open it. Within Data Administration, look for the option called Data Backup. This is the feature that lets you generate a copy of your CRM data that you can download and store safely outside of Zoho. Click on Data Backup to move to the Backup configuration screen. Once you're on the Data Backup page, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho will guide you through choosing what to include in your backup and how to generate it. Depending on your subscription and settings, you may see options related to how often you can back up, what modules to include, or how the backup file will be delivered to you. Take a moment to read each option carefully, then confirm and start the backup process. After you've initiated the backup, it may take some time for Zoho to prepare the file, especially if you have a lot of data. When it's ready, download the backup and store it in a secure location, such as encrypted cloud storage or a protected external drive. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your data in Zoho CRM, helping ensure your business information stays safe and recoverable whenever you need it.